so much work to be done here. Which is more like a pointer for you to know. When you go keep them, you go worry. So once it's been harvested, what you need to understand is you have to follow up with the packing of the bunches, and then also with the seeds, because it's very important. And what you need to understand is this is what brings out more of the oil, the seeds. This is what brings out more oil, the seeds that have fallen off. These ones like this, they don't fall off. They are the ones that brings out more oil. So if you have watched my videos, you will see all the videos I've been posting all throughout. Just go through them and you see the processes at which these things are harvested. So if you don't pack this seed, which is very important, this one that has fallen off from the bunches, and then they bring oil pass. They are the ones that produce more, that makes your oil, or the production of your oil, more effective. You know, understand? If you have watched this video to this extent, that means you are finding my videos informative, educative, and above all, engaging. It is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you notify anytime I post new videos like this. We move to the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't want this video to be too long.